Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're coming to you from the Sunday pit stop cruise-in at the Orange Park Mall. And this is the Walkabout Cam. This is a great event. I really like this event. It's on a Sunday, which makes it even better. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Frente de eso, no, dando la pues el cabrón vino y me puso Anyway, like I said, not a whole lot here to be seen. I mean, it may pick up in a little while, it may not. I'm gonna stick around for a little while longer. But yeah, kind of a letdown today. But it's a new show. It's only the second time they've ever done it. So we'll see what happens.
Man, I wouldn't expect to see you out here this far.
Yeah. It's because it's a Sunday. It's easy to get out here.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.